Churr, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Everybody's been asking me, please watch Te Kapunga. We're watching Te Kapunga. Everyone's been saying that this rōpū is just tough. Let's find out. Alright, cooking. Holy. I swear every time I watch like Kapas, it just gets better and better. I don't know what to say, bro. This was heavy. If I had to perform doing this, bro, I'm crying. Straight up, I'ma cry. This Waiata was just so beautiful, G. Waiata Tira, 10 out of 10. What can I say? This Waiata Tira was peak. Nothing more that I can say, G, about this. And in saying that, run the outro.
Searching, cause I might never find another like you. Winning with the team and it feels amazing. Let me see your hands, let me hear your praise. Spirit in the room, we got it blazing.